Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give you a really quick introduction to the Slack training that I've just launched on my website. I'll put links to it in this video. But basically, I want to give you everything you need to know, you and your team, on how to use Slack. And if you come to my website, find the Slack, if you actually go to the home page, you'll see at the top all courses. Or if you come down, one of the featured courses is Slack training. What it is introduction training and some deeper training. And the course will continue to grow as you tell me what you need. Because what it also is a forum. So if you come to my website and go Slack training, you don't even need to sign up. I've left the courses as open, so you don't have to sign up. What you'll see is there's an advert at the top of the page that pays for the course for me. Then the YouTube training and a discussion forum. So you'll see as you go through everything that should be unlocked. I've probably not unlocked that one. You'll see unlock training for different things. Everything you need to know about Slack. But then what you'll do is jump into the forum, and in the Slack training category, all you've got to do is new topic and write in, I need to know, Paul, I need to know how to integrate Slack with Trello, or I need to integrate Slack with my CRM, or I need to do some sort of task management with Slack, or whatever you need. You can fire a question and we'll get answers together and we'll join the deeper discussion. So everything you need to know about Slack, everything that Slack can do for you, your business, your team, whether your team's a business or a charity or whatever it might be, dive in. What you'll find is if you enroll in the course for free, you'll be able to track what lessons you've done. Whereas if you just go to preview, you see the full lesson, but you're not going to get, have I done this lesson, or have I completed it? And then dive into the forum. Ask me any questions you've got. You know, tell me what you need. Tell me what's missing. This one here I need to unlock. And we'll get everything. We'll get you up and running. We'll get you flying. We'll get you everything you need to do to get you up and running on Slack. Cool? Cheers, guys.